Recovery is an important part of any bodybuilding plan, but many athletes, especially those who want to see results quickly, forget about it or don't give it enough credit. A common misunderstanding is that spending more time at the gym will make muscles grow faster. This comes from not understanding how muscles grow and how important recovery stages are. Here are some reasons why bodybuilders might not get enough rest and why it's important not to. Many novice bodybuilders often overlook the importance of understanding muscle growth. When you do a lot of hard exercise, especially strength training, your muscles tear very small, which leads to growth. For these fibers to heal, the body needs to give them time and resources. It's not while lifting weights that this process takes place. It happens when the muscles rest and heal so they can handle stress better in the future. Many athletes think that the more they work out, the faster they'll grow. However, they forget that growth also happens outside of the gym. Culture and gym lore. In the bodybuilder culture, the idea of no days off is often praised. Taking days off or long recovery periods are sometimes seen as signs of not being dedicated. Stories about famous athletes who worked out non-stop every day add to this myth. This can make people feel like they need to train too much without taking breaks. It can lead to the false belief that more gym time means more muscle. 3. People in today's fast-paced world often lack patience and want immediate results. This leads to lifters doing more workouts in an attempt to see faster results. This impatience can make people not want to take enough rest days because they might think they will hurt their goals for quick results. Many players worry that taking time off will make them fall behind their peers or lose progress. They don't want to miss out on anything. They might overtrain out of fear, which can hurt their muscles and make them less effective. This is the exact opposite of what they want to happen. 4. Not knowing about overtraining syndrome. Many bodybuilders fall for this without realizing it. Overtraining syndrome is a real and dangerous condition that happens when the body trains too hard without getting enough rest. Symptoms include long-lasting tiredness, poor performance, mood swings, and a higher risk of getting hurt. Bodybuilders may keep working out even though they are tired. If people don't grasp these risks, they may wrongly assume that their performance is declining because they have to train more intensely. Why structured recovery is important. In order to avoid these problems, bodybuilders need to include planned recovery plans in their workouts. Sleep. Aim to get 79 hours of good sleep every night. Getting enough sleep may be the best way to heal. It releases growth hormone and testosterone, which help muscles repair and grow. Scheduled rest days. Plan days off from working out as part of your gym routine. These help the body's whole system heal, not just the muscles. They also help the nervous system, hormone balance, and mental health. Active recovery. Do things like yoga, stretching, or light walks on days when you don't train as hard or when you're supposed to rest. These can help keep your mobility and blood flow up, which can help your muscles heal without putting too much stress on them. Nutrition and hydration. Working out alone is not enough. For muscle growth, nutrition is everything. To rebuild muscles and gain energy, it's important to stay hydrated and eat a balanced diet with healthy fats, proteins, and carbohydrates. Water is an important part of all body processes, including muscle recovery. To succeed in bodybuilding, you must prioritize your body's need for rest and recovery. Instead of slowing down progress, getting enough rest speeds up muscle growth, improves performance, and lowers the risk of injury. This sets the stage for long-term gains and a healthy training career. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and lessons. Please subscribe and click the notification button.